Chief Justice Kenneth Benjamin made his much-anticipated ruling in the case brought by Caleb Orozco challenging Section 53 of the Criminal Code. Reporter Ingrid Fernandez was at the Supreme Court and she filed this report.
In 2010, Caleb Orozco brought a case challenging Criminal Code 1981, Section 53 of Belize, which reads, "Every person who has carnal intercourse against the order of nature with any person or animal shall be liable to imprisonment for 10 years. This morning, Chief Justice Kenneth Benjamin was to hand down the much-anticipated ruling. Outside the Supreme Court, about 70 church members from Orangeoak, Belmopan, Belize City, and Dangriga, representing both the evangelical and Catholic churches, convened at the Battlefield Park demonstrating. A lone supporter of the LGBTQI community stood in direct opposition of the protesters from the churches. Inside the courtroom, church leaders including Pastor Scott Sturm and LGBTQI leaders like Erica Castellanos sat side by side. The police kept watch outside the courtroom to ensure order. After an hour and a half of reading historical precedent, Chief Justice Benjamin ruled in favor of amending Section 53 to exclude consensual sex between adults in private. An elated Caleb Orozco spoke with the media outside the courtroom.
I have to say I am extremely elated. And I'm so elated, I'm speechless right now. But because today is really, really important, I will ask you guys to join me at UWI for 2 o'clock to do a more extensive discussion. And I would hope that you all could make it for 2 o'clock. This is huge for me, so I need to be more speechful rather than speechless.
Senior counsel for the case, Lisa Showman, spoke about the statutes that were upheld in the ruling.
I think we won on all the points that we had asked the Chief Justice to rule on. The offending section 453 has been read down, which means that it will be amended to exclude any acts between consenting adults in privacy. That is the essence of the ruling. So the look of Section 53 will change. The court has the power to do that.
Executive Director of CNET, Erica Castellanos, shared how the change of statute will affect the lives of the LGBTQI community.
It has many implications. For once and for all, we don't have to be hiding. We can openly say who we are and who we love and what is our lifestyle. But also in regards to HIV prevention, for example, the obstacles that were presented and what was discussed in the courtroom, it will help do HIV prevention better and have more tools to prevent HIV in the country. I feel very satisfied, I feel very happy, and it's a very emotional moment because this is something we've been waiting for. And I think it's a moment of celebration for the whole LGBT family and for everybody, because this is a law that does not concern only LGBT persons.
Strong opposing sentiments to the ruling came immediately from church leaders. Pastor Lance Lewis was representing the National Evangelical Association of Belize.
The church believes in marriage between a man and a woman, and therefore sex between a man and a woman is what the church believes. To make a law now that strike out the law that says it's okay to have sex between male and male, female and female, is against the word of God. It is, in my mind, against the original constitution of Belize, and therefore it will bring all type of ills on our society. We already have several problems this year, storms of different types and maybe more. And I think the only thing that can happen, the church is not going to get up and throw stones, but we have to get on our knees and pray that God will bring about a revival, God will bring about a change, because this is an abomination.
Initially, Unibam had filed the case along with Caleb Orozco, but the Chief Justice ruled that Unibam could not be a party but a stakeholder. Following the ruling, Unibam held a press conference to go more into the ruling. They also read a statement from the Special Envoy for Women and Children, Kim Simplice Barrow, who stated, "It is a great day for Belize. It is a great day for human rights, one step closer to dignity and the respect we all deserve." Leader of the Maya Leaders Alliance, Christina Cox, stated, "We are equally responsible to ensure state accountability to protect the human rights of all and not some." Reporting for Love News, I am Ingrid Furlow.